कृपया सर्वे म्यूट् मध्ये भवन्तु। आरम्भं करोतु हेमन्ती महोदय।
वक्रतुण्ड महाकाय सूर्यकोटि समप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा। सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणी विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा। गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णु गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरः गुरुः साक्षात् परब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः। ॐ सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ओम शांति शांति शांति। हरि ओम। नमस्ते। Oh, we can hear you.
You're on mute.
धन्यवादः। सर्वेषां स्वागतमस्ति। धन्यवादः हेमन्ती महोदय। गतकक्षायां वयं विशेषणविशेषभाव इति विषये किञ्चित् ज्ञातवन्तः। प्रश्नाः सन्ति वा? That's a very important topic. विशेषणविशेषभाव. Are there any questions? Who wants to?
Namaste,
Namaste. Lakshmi Mahodaya. We studied about Visheshana Vishesha Bhava in the last class. Can you summarize what it is all about?
Okay. Vishesha is the noun form. And Visheshana is the adjective form. So Vishesha and Visheshana, they will be the same in Linga, Vachana, Vibhakti.
Uttamam. Sudha Mahodaya, ekam udaharanam dadatu.
Like Shvetaha Ashvaha, Shveta Jyotsna, Shvetam Jalam.
Uttama. So the noun and adjective Vishesha, Visheshana should match in Linga, Vachana, Vibhakti. That is why Shvetaha Ashvaha, Shveta Balika, Shvetam Jalam. Same way, if we have Dvivachana or Bahuvachana, then the Visheshana also will take the Dvivachana or Bahuvachana along with to match the Vishesha. So we will study that again and again in the future classes also. It is slightly out of syllabus, but it's an important concept to know, and many of you had questions. We kept coming against that, so we studied it ahead of time. Astu, prashnaः न सन्ति चेत् we will wrap up the remaining topics on Vibhakti.
Mahoday, ekam prashnam asti. For Panchami Vibhakti, we can use Vina.
Vina is usually used with
because in the Parichaya book, they have given that Vina also can be used in Vina. We use it in Dvitiya Vibhakti, Tritiya Vibhakti, Panchami Vibhakti cha upayogam kurmaha iti
kartum shaknumaha. Sadharanataya, most of the times it is in Tritiya Vibhakti. Jalam vina or jalena vina vayam jivanam na kartum shaknumaha. Without water we cannot live. But in some cases, it is also used in Dvitiya Vibhakti and Panchami Vibhakti. But those usages are less common. For the most part, it is used in Tritiya Vibhakti. So it is possible to say Jalam Vina Jivanam Na Sadhyam, just like Jalena Vina.
Because for the homework, I used Kasmat Vina Saha Chalana Chitram Na Pashyati.
Okay, probably that is true. But vast majority of the times it is used with Tritiya only.
But there is nothing wrong if I use that way.
I have not come across that usage. It's usually Tena Vina or Tritiya Prashnartham. But technically it is not technically it is not incorrect.
So because for that I wrote Matvina Saha Chalanchitram Na Pashyati. Anyhow, I've written it and uploaded it. So just wanted to ask it.
Right. So that brings up a good point. So we are learning the usages of each vibhakti and also the sarvanama padas. So what we are learning is the most common usages. There are other usages of each vibhakti that we are not covering, and some of the usages can be used with multiple vibhaktis. So that's a more advanced topic, so we don't touch that.
But meaningfully it is correct?
Satyam. Meaningfully, if you are able to say Jalam Vina or Jalena Vina, they both mean the same thing. So for the most part, or for our purposes, since we are learning the most common usages and the situations in which they are most commonly used, let us stick to them. So we said Vina and Saha are used with Tritiya. So for now, or at least till we finish the Pravesha exam, let us remember it in Tritiya Vibhakti. Anantaram Kimapi Sadhyam. Astu, अन्ये प्रश्नाः सन्ति वा?
Mahodaya, can you please explain the rules for the Panchami Vibhaktis, like what, when and where we are going to use Panchami Vibhaktis? So I know that one is from we have to use that, and second thing is if for the fear we have to use. And third one is I think Purvaha Paraha, we have to use that. And yeah, that is what I remember. And Shrestha, someone is elder or younger, we use that.
Bhitihi, one of them is Bhitihi, right? Kasmat Bhitaha Asti. Ravanaha Ramataha Bhitaha Asti. That was one example we saw.
Bahihi.
Bahihi, Satya. Gruhat Bahihi or Gruhataha Bahihi Vruksham Asti. Something like that. Vrukshaha Asti. Bahihi, Arabhya, Rute, Purvam, Paraha. Those are all words that go with Panchami. And from whom we are getting protection, right? Arakshakaha Chorat Rakshitavan. The policeman protected us from the thief. Sainikaha Shatrutaha Rakshitavan, something like that, from the enemy.
And from the slides from 31 to the remaining things, I'm not able to understand. In the 45.
Kim. I didn't.
In the 45 lesson slides, from 31 to that some, I think that's the same thing, rules, I think. I don't know.
Let me bring it up. What is the slide number, Mahoday?
From 31.
It is the same thing written in the form of a sutra. Don't worry about it. So, for example, the second one says Bhaya Hetuhu, Balakaha Simhad Bibheti. So, these are all the same concept that we learned, but put in the form of sutras for easy remembering. It's exactly the same thing, but it's in a little bit more advanced language. It is given for completeness sake, but essentially it's the same thing. We will study those slides if we have time. Otherwise, also, you know the concept. So don't worry about those slides.
Dhanyavad.
And Bhanu Mohoday, the 46 is also having 45 slides only, is it? Is it intentionally like that, or?
40. We didn't do any slides for class 46, right? We just
Okay, so same 45. Okay.
45 asti, anantaram adya 47 asti.
Okay.
So we studied Panchami, and in the last class, or class number 45, we studied the Panchami Vibhakti with Sarvanama Padan. Usha Mahoday, Kim Shabdaha, can you say the first 5 Vibhaktis in Punlinga?
First one, Pradama Vibhakti, Ramaha, Ramau, Ramaha.
But do it for Kim Shabda. Kim.
Oh, Kim Shabda. Kaha, Kaha, Kau, Kaha, Kau, no. Let me see.
Kaha,
Kau,
Ke.
Kaha,
Kaha, Kau, Ke.
Kaha, Kau, Kaha.
Oh,
Kaha, Kau, Ke. Kam, Kau, Kan. Kena, Kabhyam. Kena, Kabhyam, Kaihi. Fourth is Kasmai, Kabhyam, Kasmai, Kabhyam, Kebhyaha. And fifth is Kasmat, Kabhyam, Kebhyaha.
Uttama. Kasmat Kabhyam Kebhyaha. Anupama Mahoday. Asmat Shabda. Same thing. Asmat Shabda 1 to 5.
Mahodaya. Asmat is Aham, Vayam, Aham, oh sorry, Aham, Avam, Vayam, Mam, Avam, Asman, Ma, Nau, Naha, Maya, Avabhyam, Asmabhihi, Mayam, Avabhyam, Asmabhyaha. Asmabhyam. And Mat, Avabhyam, Mat, Asmat.
Chaturthi Ekavachanam is Mahyam, not Mayam, Mahyam.
Mahyam.
Astu. Uttamam. Rushyateva. Can you all see my screen? So, Atmat Shabda is used for indicating me, anything that I do. Uttama Purusha. What is Yushmad used for?
You.
You.
Madhyama Purusha.
Madhyama Purusha. So we studied only the Prathama Vibhakti form in the past. So let us learn the other four forms. So Tvam, Yuvam, Yuyam. So Tvam is you, Yuvam, you too, Yuyam, you all. So Tvam Vidyalayam Gacchasi. You are going to the school. Ekavachanam. Same way, Yuvam, Yuyam. So the Dvitiya Vibhakti forms are Tvam, Yuvam, Yushman. Tvam, Yuvam, Yuyam. Tvam, Yuvam, Yushman. Tritiya is Tvaya, Yuvabhyam, Yushmabhihi. Chaturthi is Tubhyam, Yuvabhyam, Yushmabhyam. And Panchami, Tvat, Yuvabhyam, Yushmat. Again, just like any other Vibhakti form, the Dvivachana is the same for Tritiya, Chaturthi and Panchami, Yuvabhyam. So it will end with Bhyam, 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 just like Rama Bhyam, Sita Bhyam, Nadi Bhyam, etc. There is one more way to remember. If you know Asmat Shabda, Yushmat Shabda will be easy. So we put it side by side. Aham, Avam, Vayam, we learned. Same way, Yushmat Shabda will be Tvam, Yuvam, Yuyam. Mam, Avam, Asman, Tvam, Yuvam, Yushman. They rhyme. Again, Maya, Avabhyam, Asmabhihi. Tvaya, Yuvabhyam, Yushmabhihi. Mahyam, Avabhyam, Asmabhyam. Likewise, Tubhyam, similar to Mahyam. Yuvabhyam, Avabhyam, Yushmabhyam, Asmabhyam. And Tvat, Yuvabhyam, Yushmat rhymes with Mat, Avabhyam, Asmat. So if you know one, you can derive the other one quite easily because they rhyme. Let us look at some examples. Tvam Chhatraha Asi. So you are a student. Another example is Tvam Vidyalayam Gacchasi. You are going to school. Hemanti Mahodaya. Dvitiya, Dvivachana and Bahuvachana. Tvam Vidyalayam Gacchasi.
Bahuvachana is Yuyam Vidyalayam Gachathaha.
Dvivachana. Gacchasi.
Gachatha.
Gacchataha.
Gachatha. Gachatha.
Gacchataha. Gachatha. Tvam Vidyalayam Gacchasi.
Tvam Vidyalayam Gacchasi. Yuvam. Tvam Vidyalayam Gacchasi. Yuvam Vidyalayam Gachatha. Yuyam Vidyalayam Gachathaha.
Dvivachanam is Gacchataha. Visarga.
Okay.
You said it here.
I read backwards.
Gacchasi, Gacchataha, Gachatha.
Gachathaha, Gachatha. Okay.
So that is Prathama Vibhakti. So who is the Karta?
Tvam, you.
Tvam, Yuvam, Yuyam. So Karta, because it's Prathama Vibhakti. Usha Mahodaya. Sikshakaha Tvam Prashnam Pruchati. Artha kaha?
The teacher asked
was asking the two of them a question.
Was asking, pruchhati.
I mean, he's asking the two of them a question.
Two of them, atra pashyatu. Tvam yuvam, tvam yuvam yushman.
Tvam is to hear, asking you. Asking
you. Asking you.
You as an
subject. The teacher is asking you a question or asked you ekavachana, a question. Dvivachana and bahuvachana. Same sentence.
Shikshaka. Shikshakaha yuvam prashna prichati, is it? And prichati. Shikshakaha yuvam prashnam prichati. And Shikshakaha Yushman prashnam prichati.
Prashnam. Shikshakaha tvam prashnam pruchati, yuvam prashnam pruchati, yushman prashnam pruchati. Uttamam. Bhavani Mahoday. Trutiya vibhakti. Aham tvaya saha mandiram gacchami. Arthah kaha?
I am going to the temple with you.
With you. Uttama.
With you.
Tvaya yuvabhyam yushmabhihi. Dvivachane bahuvachane vakyam.
Tvaya. Oh, sorry. Tritiya is, tvaya. No, aham tvaya saha mandiram gacchami.
That is ekavachanam. Uttamam. Dvivachanam.
Aham yuvabhyam saha mandiram gachatah. And aham yushmabhihi mandiram gacchata.
Aham tvaya saha mandiram. Can you see my typing?
Yes.
Aham tvaya saha mandiram gacchami. This is the ekavachanam. Atra karta kaha? Who is the karta?
Karta is aham, I.
Aham.
Oh, karta is sorry. Yeah.
Kriya padam kim asti? Prathamam kriya padam.
Kriya padam gacchami. Yeah, gacchami.
Kriya padam gacchami. So
karma pada is mandiram.
Mandiram is karma pada. Uttamam. So
karma pada.
What did we learn about karta and kriya? They should match in what sense?
Linga vachana and vibhakti.
Purusha and vachana.
Oh, sorry. Purusha. Yeah.
Purusha and vachana. Aham tvaya saha mandiram gacchami. I am going to the temple with you. Now, I want to say I am going to the temple with the two of you. With the two of you.
Aham tvaya saha.
So, yuvabhyam saha mandiram.
Vyam saha mandiram gacchati. Yeah.
Kim, what should it be? Karta kaha atra? Who's the karta here?
Karta aham. Once again, it's I.
Aham. So what should be the kriya pada form?
Kriya pada form is gaccha taha.
Gaccha taha. Is that right? When do you use gaccha taha?
Oh.
Gaccha taha is what?
Oh,
अत्र पश्यतु गच्छसि गच्छथः गच्छथ what is gachati?
gachati, going.
Going, what? More specifically, who's going?
You go.
Gachati, I am.
You.
You are going. Yeah, you are going.
You are going. Gachatha is?
Gachatah, we too.
You too.
You two are going. Yeah.
Gachatha. You are all going. All of you are going.
You are all going.
So if I want to say for myself, gacchami, dvivachane, we two are going.
Gachamah, gachami, gachavaha.
Gachavaha. Bahuvachane.
Gachamaha.
Gachamaha. Uttamam. So here the karta is aham. So what will be the kriya?
Kriya will be gachami. Yeah, gachami.
So that is
gachami.
why
Okay.
when you are creating a sentence, first identify karta, immediately write the kriya pada. That way we will not encounter such mistakes. So if it is aham as the karta, the kriya pada will end in me. No ifs and buts about it. Gacchami, gacchami, khadami, pibami, agacchami, whatever it is. If the karta is aham, without a doubt, always the kriya pada will end in me.
Me, okay.
So that is why when you are writing a sentence, write the karta first, immediately write the kriya pada. And then you fill up the rest of the statement. So atra aham tvaya saha mandiram gacchami. So dvivachane kim bhavati? Yuvabhyam saha mandiram gacchami.
Gacchami. Bahuvachane aham yushmabihi mandiram aham yushmabihi saha mandiram gacchami. Verb remains the same. Yeah, aham gacchami.
Kriya pada remains the same. Aham tvaya saha gacchami, yuvabhyam saha gacchami, yushmabhihi saha gacchami. Prashnaः सन्ति वा? Clear? Yes, no, maybe?
Yeah.
Mहोदय.
अस्तु. चतुर्थी विभक्ति. जनकः तुभ्यं सङ्गणकं ददाति. सुमित्रा महोदय, अर्थः कः?
जनकः तुभ्यं सङ्गणकं ददाति. The father gives सङ्गणकं is
computer. Sanganakam is computer.
Father gives computer to you.
To you.
Or for you.
For you, he gives a computer. Ekavachana.
Yes.
Same thing, dvivachana, bahuvachana.
Janakah yuvabhyam sankanakam tadati. The next one is Janakah yuvabihi. Yushmabhyam sankanakam dadati.
Arthah kaha?
The first one is father gives a computer for you.
The second one, father gives computer for 2 of you. The Bhagavachanam is father gives computer to many of you.
Many of you, all of you. Uttamam. Prashant Mahodaya. Ekanimisam Prashant Mahodaya. 1 second, Prashant Mahodaya. Let's do the second part also. Sumitra
Saraswati, Saraswati Sambodhana form. Saraswati.
Saraswati. Saraswati na Saraswati.
Saraswati is Sambodhana. Namastubhyam.
Namastubhyam. We study this shloka we pray to Saraswati every day. Saraswati Namastubhyam Varade Kamarupini Ityadi. So Namastubhyam is a sandhi. If you break it down, it will be Namaha Tubhyam. So what do you think it means? Saraswati Namaha Tubhyam.
Tubhyam is Ekavachanam. Chaturthi. So we pray for Saraswati.
Pray for what? Namaha. Then is Namaha, Namaskaram for you. Saraswati.
Saraswati. I wanted to tell meaning for you.
Namaskaram for you. So, what is the rule about Namaha?
Yeah, Namaha will be only for Chaturthi Vibhakti.
Who will be in Chaturthi? Kartava, Karmava, Kriyava, who will be in Chaturthi?
For, whoever is for somebody,
the recipient will be in Chaturthi Vibhakti. Recipient of the
karma will.
Karma na, recipient.
So aham, we can't say aham Saraswatyai Namaha like that, right?
We didn't study the Chaturthi Vibhakti form of Ikara. Okay, let us see. Let's take the same example. Janakaha. What was the sentence?
Janakaha Tubhyam Sanganakam.
Tubhyam Sanganakam. Fine. Sanganakam dadati. Atra karta kaha?
Janaka.
Karta is Janaka.
Kriya kimasti. Kriya. Let's Kriya kimasti.
Kriya dadati.
Kriya dadati. Karma asti vatra.
Sanganaka.
Karma Sanganaka.
Let Sumitra Mahodaya answer, please. Karma is Sanganakam.
Sanganakam.
So Tubhyam. So who is the father giving the computer to?
For you.
For you. So that is why it is in Chaturthi Vibhakti. It is not the Karma Pada. Karma Pada here is Sanganakam. See, the same sentence, you can write it as Balakam, Balakaya Sanganakam Dadati. Is Balakaya Karma Padam?
Namavadi.
If it was a Karma Padam, what form would it have taken?
Balakam.
Balakam. But it is Balakaya.
Balakam. Yeah, Balakam.
For the boy, the father is giving the computer. Same way, when you are using the Yushmat Shabda, nothing changes. It's the same thing. It's just the form. Instead of Balakaya, Tubhyam. So the father is giving the computer to you.
So we just put as Chaturthi Vibhakti, right? That's it.
chaturthi vibhakti. Satyam. Same way, Saraswati Namaha Tubhyam Asti. Atra Kriyapadam kim?
Asti.
Asti. Karta asti vatra?
Specifically no. But yeah.
Specifically no. Saraswati padasya vivaranam kim? What is Saraswati here?
Sambodhana.
Sambodhana. What was the rule about Namaha that we
It
learned?
should be used in Chaturthi Vibhakti.
But with whom?
Yeah, like Saraswati.
The
Saraswati Namaha.
The recipient of the Namaha has to be in Chaturthi Vibhakti. Right?
Saraswati Namaha.
Saraswatyai Namaha. We can say that. Saraswatyai Namaha Asti. So we are saying for Saraswati there is a Namaskaram, or in this case it will be Hey Saraswati, for you there is a Namaskaram. If you want to say the same thing for Rama, Namaha.
Ramaya Namaha.
Ramaya Namaha, Shivaya Namaha, ityadi. Pullinge Ramaya, Shivaya, Suryaya, etc. Saraswatyai, Jananyai, Devyai Namaha. So whoever is the recipient of the Namaha will be in Chaturthi Vibhakti.
So if I have to tell us in Sambodhana, Rama Namaha Tubhyam Asti.
Tubhyam Asti. Rama. Follow the same pattern. Follow the same pattern.
That's what I said. Rama Namaha. Rama is Sambodhana and Namaha. Tubhyam Asti.
You are breaking it up in a it's not Tubhyam Asti, Namaha Asti. Tubhyam Namaha Asti.
Oh, okay. Namastubhyam Asti. Okay.
Namastubhyam Asti.
Okay.
Is that clear, or have we confused everybody? Please ask.
No. Yeah, got it now.
Anyesham prashna sasti va? Anybody have questions about this? I'm thinking it's the same concept that we studied, that we are using it for Madhyama Purusha, but there seems to be confusion. I'm not really sure why. So please ask questions so that I know why it is confusing. Bhagya Mahodaya, Spashtam asti va?
Hanna Mahodaya.
Spashtam asti va? Is this clear? Not clear va?
No, it is clear, Mahodaya.
So Saraswati Namastubhyam. If it is 2 Saraswatis or 3 Saraswatis, Bhagya Mahodaya, Bhavati Vadatu.
Saraswatyabhyam.
Yuvabhyam Namaha, Yushmabhyam Namaha. Te Saraswati Ekavachanam. Dvivachana Sambodhana kim asti? Oh, we didn't study Ikaranta. Okay, forget it. Yuvabhyam Namaha, Yushmabhyam Namaha.
Yushmabhyam Namaha.
Uttama. Prashant Mahodaya. Panchami Vibhakti. Balika Swat Sanganakam Svikaroti. Artha kaha?
The girl accepts the computer from you.
From you. Balika Swat Sanganakam Svikaroti. From you, the girl accepts the computer. Dvivachanam Bahuvachanam. same sentence.
बालिका युवाभ्याम संगणकम स्वीकरोति.
उत्तमम्.
बालिका युष्मत् संगणकम स्वीकरोति.
उत्तमम्. From you, from the two of you, and from all of you or many of you, the girl possessed the computer. Uttamam. So like we said, the Asmad and Yushmad, they rhyme, and also just like the Asmad Shabda, the Yushmad Shabda has alternative forms in Dvitiya, Chaturthi and Shashti. We will see Shashti later. In Dvitiya, in addition to Tvam, the form is Tva. Just like for Asmad Shabda, it was Mam and Ma. Yuvam, Vam, and Yushman, Vaha in Dvitiya. In Chaturthi, Tubhyam Te, Yuvabhyam Vam, and Yushmabhyam Vaha. And again, just like Asmad Shabda, the Dvitiya alternate form is the same as Chaturthi alternate form. There it was Naha, Naha. Here it is Vaha, Vaha. So, just like we said Saraswati Namastubhyam, we could also have said Saraswati Namahate. And Namahate becomes after Sandhi Namaste. So, Namaste is nothing but Namahate. The word Namaste, we keep saying Namaste, right? Namaha, yes. Greetings to you or Naman to you, for you. So that's where the origin of the word Namaste is. Prashnaha santi va?
Can we see the something like I forgot the rule for this Namaste? Can like
we didn't do Sandhi Mahodaya. It is just okay. Namaha Te. So we said Saraswati Namastubhyam. Since the alternate form of Tubhyam is Te, yes. Saraswati Namaha Te.
Okay. Dhanyavad.
Saraswati Namaha Tubhyam, or the same thing can be written as Tubhyam's alternate form is Te, and when you combine Namaha and Te, it will become Namaste. So you could also have said Saraswati Namaste or Namahate. It will be the same thing. And this is where I said the word Namaste is derived from. So Namaha for you, Naman for you. Clear?
Yes. Mahodaya. Dhanyavad. So far we have studied in
Mahodaya, one prashna. Eka prashna.
So
if you are doing Namaha to a lot of people, so it is Namasvaha, is it? To all of you.
Namasvaha.
Namasvaha.
For two people, Namasvam.
Right. Dhanyavad Mahodaya.
Namaste. So, any other questions about Yushmat Shabda? Astu. Thus far, we have studied Akaranta Pumlinga only, Rama Shabda. Vijay Menon Mahodaya, what are the first 5 forms of Rama Shabda? Ramaha. Ramau.
Yeah, okay. Ramaha, Ramau, Ramaha. Then Dvitiya, you're talking about the Vibhaktis?
First 5 Vibhaktis.
Okay. Ramam, Ramau, Raman. Third,
Ramena.
Ramena. Ramabhyam. Is it? And
Ramaihi.
Ramaihi. Chaturthi, Ramaya, Ramabhyam, and Ramebhya. Ramebhya. Then this last one. Ram is from Rama, no? Forgot.
Ramat.
Ramat. Okay. Ramat, Ramabhyam, and Ramabhi.
Ka vakyam ichhati panchami vibhakti Rama Shabda. Who wants to say?
I can.
Who wants to?
Ramat, Ramabhyam, Ramebhyah.
Ramebhyah. Keep practicing these forms. Astu. That is the Akaranta Rama Shabda forms. But there are, and those form about 70% of the words, Akaranta Pumlinga. So there are many words like Rama, Surya, Krishna, Shiva, etc. So the forms are all the same as Rama, but there are other words in Pumlinga that have a different ending, not Akaranta, Ikaranta and Ukaranta. So let us look at both of them today. Ikaranta. So Hari is one example. So Prathama Vibhakti will be Harihi, Hari, Harayaha. Sambodhana, He Hare, and then just like other Sambodhana forms, the Dvivachana and Bahuvachana are the same. He Hari, He Harayaha. And then Ditya Vibhakti, Harim, Hari, Harin. Tritiya, Harina, Haribhyam, Haribhihi. Chaturthi, Haraye, Haribhyam, Haribhyaha. And Panchami, Harehe, Haribhyam, Haribhyaha. And again, the Dvivachana forms are the same in Tritiya, Chaturthi and Panchami, Bhyam, Bhyam, Bhyam. And Chaturthi and Panchami Bahuvachana are the same, Haribhyaha, Haribhyaha. The meanings and the usages are the same, just like Rama Shabda. So let us, Lakshmi Mahodaya, looking at the Hari Shabda, please form the forms, please tell the forms, Vibhakti forms for Ravi Shabda.
Harihi Shabda Mahodaya, Prathama Vibhakti.
For Ravi Shabda, all 5 Vibhakti forms similar to Ravi.
Okay. So Harihi Chhatra asti.
Astu. Udaharanani kurmaha. We will do the examples. I just want to show with these other forms also it's the same. So do the Vibhakti forms for Ravi. Similar to Hari.
Astu. Ravihi, Ravi, Ravayaha. He Rave, He Ravi, He Ravayaha. Ravim, Ravi, Ravin, Ravina, Ravibhyam, Ravibhihi. Ravaye, Ravibhyam, Ravibhyaha. Ravehe, Ravibhyam, Ravibhyaha.
Satyam. Same way, Kavi, Muni, Vidhi, etc. So these
like
are
in the Tritiya, but it's different, no? In the Tritiya Vibhakti, Haribhihi, it is Ramahi. Like here, this is one different.
Uttamam. I was just going to go there next. So for Rama Shabda, it is Ramena, but in Hari or Ravi or Kavi, it is Harina. Dvivachanam is the same. Bahuvachanam, it is Haribihi. But whereas for Rama Shabda, Ramaihi. So Rama Shabda, Akaranta Pumlinga, even though it is one of the most commonly used Pumlinga Shabdas, the forms are an exception. The rest of the Ukaranta, Ikaranta, Rukaranta, Pumlinga forms, they follow the normal pattern. Only the Akaranta Pumlinga forms break the pattern. They have their own pattern. Even though they break the pattern, they form the majority of the Pumlinga words. Same way, Chaturthi, Rama Shabda forms again are different. Ramaya, Ramabhyam, Ramebhyaha, but Haraye, Haribhyam, Haribhyaha.
Bhanumote, the Bahuvachan of Tritiya Chaturthi Panchami is like the Strilinga. We're just adding Bihi, Bhyaha, Bhyaha, unlike the Purlinga.
Uttamam. That's another good observation. If it was Strilinga, Akaranta Strilinga, we would have said Sita Bhihi in Tritiya Vibhakti. So Hari is also Hari Bhihi. Sita Bhyaha, Nadi Bhyaha, etc. So again, they follow the pattern. Strilinga words are easy to learn because they always follow the pattern. And now we are back on the pattern. We studied the exception first, and now we are studying the pattern. So Hari Bihi, like Sita Bihi, Nadi Bihi, Hari Bhyaha, like Sita Bhyaha, Nadi Bhyaha, etc. Uttamam. Good point. Prashnaha santi va?
Now there is one question on Ikaranta Pullinga. This Pati also follows the same thing, or there is a small difference?
Pati is has some exceptions. We will study Pati Shabda in next year because it again breaks the pattern.
So the doubt came to me because of that shloka.
Which one?
Rama Ramaya Ramabhadraya Ramachandraya Vedase Raghunataya Sitaya Pataye Namaha. Should be Patye Namaha, right? Why is it coming Pataye Namaha?
Sitaya Pataye Namaha. Because again Pati Shabda breaks the pattern. So Pumlinga Shabdas they break patterns all the time. Strilinga forms are easier to learn. That's why. So Pati Shabda we will study in next year. For this class, let us keep it simple. Hari, Ravi, Kavi, Muni, etc. They all follow the same pattern as Hari Shabda. Let us look at Guru Shabda.
Vidhi is Ikaranta Pullinga Shabda or Vidhi because
it sounds like Strilinga. It has to be Strilinga, but it is Pullinga Shabda.
Dhanyavad.
Probably in our mother tongue, Vidhi is Strilinga. Is that how it is in Marathi?
Yes.
In Hindi also, Vidhi, Strilinga, yes.
In Sanskrita, surprisingly, it is Pumlinga.
It is Vidhi. It is Vidhi. It is fate.
It is fate that it is Pumlinga. Good job. Ukaranta Pumlinga. Guruhu, Guru, Guravaha. He Guru, He Guru, He Guravaha. Gurum, Guru, Gurun. Guruna, Gurubhyah. Gurubhyam Gurubhihi, Gurave Gurubhyam Gurubhyaha, Guroho Gurubhyam Gurubhyaha. Again, Guru Shabda follows the pattern. If you look at Guruna, Trutiya Ekavachanam, Guruna, similar to Harina, Ravina, Kavina, Guruna, Shambhuna, Vishnuna, Bhanuna, by Guru or with Guru. The Dvivachanam, Trutiya, Chaturthi, Panchami are the same, Bhyam, Bhyam, Bhyam. Trutiya, Bahuvachanam, Guru Bhihi, same like Hari Bhihi, Sita Bhihi, Nadi Bhihi. So we are back on track in terms of the pattern. Chaturthi Ekvachanam, Gurave, Haraye, Gurubhyam, Gurubhyaha, again Haribhyaha, just like Haribhyaha, Gurubhyaha. Panchami Ekvachanam, Guroho, Harehe, but Gurubhyam, same as this, and Bahuvachanam is Gurubhyaha, just like Haribhyaha, Nadibhyaha, Sitabhyaha, so Gurubhyaha. So again, the Ekavachana forms are slightly different. Those we have to remember. The Dvivachanam and Bahuvachanam forms are easier to remember. Bhagya Mahoday, just like Guru Shabda, can you say the Shambhu Shabda or Vishnu Shabda?
Yes, Mahoday. Shambhu, Shambhu, Shambhavaha. He Shambho.
Ek nimisham. Shambhu, Dirgham.
Yes.
The Guru.
Shambhu, Shambhu, Shambhavaha. He Shambho, He Shambhu, He Shambhavaha. Shambhum, Shambhu, Shambhun. Shambhuna, Shambhubhyam, Shambhubhihi. Shambhave, Shambhubhyam, Shambhubhyaha. Shambhoho, Shambhubhyam, Shambhubhyaha.
If we do the Vishnu Shabda, Chaturthi Ekavachanam, what will it be?
Vishnave.
Vishnave. In Vishnu Sahasranamam, Vishnave, there are many instances where we come across Vishnave. Om Namo Vishnave, Prabha
Vishnave. In the very beginning.
Namo Vishnave, Prabha Vishnave.
So, for Vishnu, Namaha, Om Namo Vishnave, Prabha Vishnave. So, Namaha for Vishnu, Prabha Vishnu. Like that.
Mahodaya, Chaturthi Vibhakti Gurave Namaha, Gurave Namaha, a lot of people, they still use it Guruve Namaha.
I think that is wrong. Maybe they haven't learned Sanskritam.
It looks like,
yeah. Gurave Namaha.
Yes.
Uttama. Om Namo Vishnave, Prabha Vishnave. Prashna Santiva, any comments, questions, any patterns you observe that, or any shlokas that come to mind when we look at these? We will do Abhyasa for homework with Ikaranta and Ukaranta. It will come to memory. Sandeep Mahoday, vadatu.
I was just saying this reminded again of Tasmai Gurave Namaha, which we do every day, every class. So it's combining Tasmai and Gurave.
Sampurnam Kim, Sampurnam Shlokam Kim.
Starts with Gurur Brahma, Gurur Vishnu, Gurur Devo Maheshwara, Gurur Sakshat Param Brahma, Tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha. Like that Guru is the Param Brahma.
Uttamam Asti Mahodaya. Let us write it down. Because it will show the many, at least 2 vibhakti forms of Guru Shabda. So Gurur Brahma is what we say. If you do the Sandhi, it will be Guruhu Brahma. Guru Brahma, Guruhu Vishnuhu, Guruhu Devaha Maheshwaraha, Guruhu Sakshat Param, one word. Guru Sakshat Param Brahma, Tasmai Shri Gurave Uttamam. Let us break this. So Gurur Brahma, Gurur Vishnuhu, Gurur Devo Maheshwara. I broke up the Sandhi. So it will be Guruhu Brahma, Guruhu Vishnuhu, Guruhu Devaha Maheshwara. Guru Sakshat Param Brahma, Tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha. Atra Sandeep Mahodaya, Guruhu Brahma. Kimasti? Guruhu is what?
Then Brahma is Guru or Guru is Brahma.
Guru is
This
Brahma.
is like a Guru is Brahma.
So Prathama Vibhakti Ekavachana Ukaranta Guru Shabda. Guruhu. So Guru.
Karta.
Karta. So Asti Guruhu Brahma Asti, Guruhu Vishnuhu Asti, Guruhu Devaha Maheshwaraha Asti. Guruhu Sakshat Param Brahma Asti. Tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha. So here it's all the different descriptors of Guru. So Brahma is what? Based on what we studied in last class.
Visheshan.
Brahma is a Visheshana of Guru Shabda. Since Guru is Prathama Vibhakti Ekavachana, the Brahma is the Visheshana, adjective of Guru. So it has Prathama Ekavachana. Brahma is Akaranta Pumlinga. Ramaha, just like that, Brahma. So Guruhu Brahma Asti. Guru is Brahma. Guruhu Vishnuhu Asti. Vishnu again is Ukaranta Pumlinga Shabda. Just like Guru, it will be Vishnuhu. Maheshwaraha, Ishwaraha, Akaranta Pumlinga, Ekavachana. Since Guru is Pumlinga Ekavachana. Maheshwaraha, it has two Visheshanas here. Devaha is one Visheshana, Maheshwaraha is one Visheshana. So, Guru is Brahma, Guru is Vishnu, Guru is Devaha, God, and Maheshwara, Shiva. So Guru is all of this. Asti. Kriya Padam is Asti. Guruhu Sakshat Parabrahma Asti. So Guru is Sakshat, literally Parabrahma, the essence, the supreme essence. Tasmai. What is Tasmai?
Mahodaya,
Sakshat.
is Sakshat Panchami because Param it is used?
Satyam. Satyam. I don't Satyam. I don't know if it is one word or two words here. Param Brahma.
It is above Brahma, so Guru is beyond Brahma, so that is why Sakshat.
No, but Sakshat, if it is Visheshna, it has to follow the same thing as the Guru, right? But Sakshat,
Sakshat
so like Ramat, is it like Ramat?
No, it is not. That means it's not a Visheshana here.
Visheshana.
It is not Visheshana here.
Yeah, sometimes, can I just check? Is it Param or Para? Because sometimes it's just Para.
So sometimes we hear it as Para, sometimes we hear it as Param.
Parabrahma.
Which is it?
Param is superior. Para is after.
After.
So I think I'm not really sure. I've heard both.
It is, yeah, correct. It's Parabrahma.
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 I've heard both.
Yeah.
I'm not sure what is the difference. I will find out and let you know.
Okay.
And I've heard also some say Gururu. Is that Gururu? Brahma, Gururu.
But Param is the right word, Mahodaya.
So Gurur. So this is what we normally say. Gurur Brahma is basically Sandhi. Guruhu plus Brahma is Gurur Brahma. So when you pronounce it, instead of saying Guruhu Brahma, as you keep saying it very fast, it will become Gurur Brahma. That's all. It's just a
Oh yeah, Gurur
Yeah, but
Brahma.
that second
Niyamasti,
line,
Mahodaya.
on the second line, I think we don't say Guru, no? This Guru Sakshat, we don't say Guru Sakshat, I think.
That is again another Sandhi. Guruhu plus Sakshat becomes Guru
Sakshat.
Sakshat.
It's not Guru. First three are Guru.
They are different words, Mahodaya. Guruhu is different, Sakshat is different. They're not one single word.
Mahodaya, I wrote it as two different words only. But when you say it, Guruhu plus Sakshat, it will become Guru Sakshat.
Guru Sakshat. Guru Sakshat.
Last one,
Visarga
Tasmai.
Sandhi.
What is Tasmai?
Tad Shabda Chaturthi Vibhakti.
Pumlinga.
Pullinga Shabda.
For him. For whom? Guru.
For that Guru.
For that Guru. So Guru Chaturthi Ekavachana is Gurave. Namaha. Namaha, we said the recipient of the Namaha has to be in Chaturthi. So Namaha Asti. So for that Guru, Namaha Asti. Gurave Chaturthi Ekavachana. Clear va? Spashtam va? अस्तु, अन्ये प्रश्नाः सन्ति वा? नो चेत् अग्रे सरामः। षष्ठी विभक्तिः। When is षष्ठी विभक्ति used?
रामस्य
रामस्य पुस्तकं रामास् बुक्
Relationship it shows.
रिलेशन्शिप् सम्बन्धं यत्र अस्ति तत्र षष्ठी विभक्तेः प्रयोगं करणीयम्। So here is one one thing to remember. बालकः विद्यालयं गच्छति। कर्ता किम् अस्ति अत्र? गच्छति। क्षम्यतां, क्रिया। कर्ता किम् अस्ति?
बालकः।
कर्ता। विद्यालयं किम् अस्ति?
कर्म।
कर्मपदम्।
Karma. So if you look at here, we said first identify Kriya Pada, Gacchati. How do we arrive at Karta? What is the question we ask?
Kaha Gacchati.
Kaha Gacchati. Who? Kaha Gacchati. That will give you the Karta. How do we arrive at Vidyalayam? What form it is? What question we ask?
Come or Kutra gachati.
Come, not kutra.
Come.
Kam gachati, it will give you karma padam. Now, let me add one extra word here. Ramasya balakaha vidyalayam gacchati. We studied already Shashti Vibhakti Ekavachana. Ramasya is Shashti Ekavachana. Whose boy? Ramasya, Rama's boy. So, what is the question we ask here? Even in English, I know we didn't study Kim Shabda Shashti Vibhakti. Even in English, what is the question we ask?
Whose?
Whose? Satyam. On what are we asking that question?
On karta.
On the karta.
On the karta. If you look at this question, kaha or kam, you are asking it on the kriya pada. Kaha gacchati, kam gacchati. Parantu, Ramasya, Atra Ramasya, we are not asking whose on gacchati. Whose goes? We don't say whose goes, right? We are saying whose boy goes to the school. In Sanskrita, that question is kasya. Prathama pullinga prathama ekavachanam. Kshamyatam, shashti ekavachanam. Kasya. But the shashti is not being asked on gacchati. We are not asking on kriya padam. Whereas kaha and kam, we are asking on kriya padam. Kasya is being asked on the karta in this case. So that is the one primary difference between other vibhaktis and shashti vibhaktis. To arrive at other vibhakti answers, you are going to ask questions on kriya padam. Whereas for shashti vibhakti, you will not be asking that question in kriya padam. You will be asking it on other vibhakti, depending on whichever word there is that sambandham or relationship. So shashti vibhakti is not associated with the kriya padam. So there is no sambandha of the shashti vibhakti with the kriya padam, but it is it has sambandham with other vibhakti forms in a sentence. That is the important difference. अत्रापि पश्यतु पश्यामि क्रियापदं कर्ता इज अहम बालकम so let us put in a form that we are used to. Aham Ramasya balakam pashyami. Normal sentence would be aham balakam pashyami. Kriya karta balakam is karma pada. So again kaha will give you aham, kam will give you balakam. Parantu if I say aham Ramasya balakam pashyami, I am seeing Rama's boy. Again the question Ramasya, you are not asking whose pashyami, kasya pashyami. We are not asking the question on kriya pada. We are asking kasya balakam pashyami. Here in this case we are asking the question on the karma pada or dvitiya vibhakti. Aham Ramasya lekhanya likhami. Lekhanya is tritiya vibhakti. Again I am writing with Rama's pen. So again whose pen? The question is being asked on the tritiya vibhakti form, not on the kriya pada. And likewise, you can validate this statement for other vibhaktis also. So that is the essence of Shashti Vibhakti. It is a sambandham between sambandham of the Shashti Vibhakti word to other words, other Vibhakti words, not to the Kriya Pada. That is the primary point to take away from this about Shashti Vibhakti. You can do the same thing for Chaturthi, Panchami and Saptami also. Aham Ramasya Balakayai Pustakam Dadami. I am giving a book to Rama's boy. Again, it is Ramasya is associated with Balaka, not with Dadami, not with the Kriya Pada Dadami. Aham Ramasya Balakat Pustakam Prapnomi. I am getting a book from Rama's boy. Again, Ramasya is associated with Balakat, not with Kriyapadam Prapnomi. Finally, Aham Ramasya Gruhe Asmi. I am in Rama's house. Gruhe Saptami Vibhakti. Ramasya is associated with whose house? Ramasya Gruhe Asmi, not with Asmi. So Shashti Vibhakti says the sambandham to other words, not to the Kriya Pada. That is the essential difference between Shashti Vibhakti and other Vibhakti.
Balakaya, no, not Balakayai.
Balakaya. Balakaya.
Khyamyata. Satya.
Yeah.
Balakaya. So other vibhaktis are associated with the Kriya Pada. Shashti Vibhakti is shows the sambandham with other vibhakti forms, other vibhakti words in the sentence. Clear? Astu. Astu. Krupaya Vibhakti Vallari Pustakam. Go to page number 47. Bala Mahodaya. Patatu Mahodaya. Prathamam Vakyam.
षष्ठी यत्र संबंधः दर्श्यते तत्र संबंधवाचकस्य पदस्य षष्ठी भवति अभ्यासः
Drushyate. The third word is Drushyate. It is seen.
Drishyate.
What is Drushyate? What form? It's a Kriya Padam, right?
Atmanepadi.
Atmanepadi. Prathama Purusha Ekavachanam. Atmanepadi. So Yatra
Udaharanam.
Ekanimisham. Yatra sambandhah drishyate tatra sambandhavachakasya padasya shashti bhavati. So where relationship is seen, the word that is describing the relationship or the word that forms the relationship is in Shashti Vibhakti. That's what it says. Patatu.
Udaharanam Esha Ramasya Lekhani. So Ramasya is Shashti Vibhakti.
Artha kaha.
Abhyasana.
What is the meaning? No, what is the meaning?
This is Ram's pen.
Rama's pen. So Ramaha, Shashti Ekavachanam we study is Ramasya. So this is Rama's pen. Esha Ramasya Lekhani.
Abhyasaha. Dilipah kaschana grihastha tasya bandavaha adaha nirdishtaha santi. Dilipasya
let us do one sentence.
Okay.
Let us,
Dilipah kaschana grihastha. Dilip is a householder.
Some householder. Kaschana means some.
Some householder.
Is some householder.
Bandavaha adaha nirdishtaha santi. Tasya his bandavaha relationships. Adaha below. Nirdishtaha shown. Santi given or is or are. Dilipasya
Hold on.
iteresha.
Hold on. Bandavaha, not relationship, relatives. His
Relatives.
His relatives are given below.
Dilipasya itresham cha sambandham vakyaihi nirdishyata. Dilip's relationship, that is sambandham, itresham with others, vakyaihi by sentences, give. Nirdishat means give or describe.
You describe. Madhyama
You describe. Yes, Madhyama
Purusha. Ekavachana. Ekavachana. Astu, uttamam. Dhanyavadah.
Dhanyavadah.
Dilipa is in the center. All the other names are given. And the arrows show the relationship. We have to form sentences. Sukanya Mahodaya. Let's start with Govinda.
Govindaha Dilipasya Anujaha.
Uttamam. Govindaha Dilipasya Anujaha. If we flip the relationship.
If we slip the Govindaha Anujaha relation is Anujaha.
Govindasya
Govinda
Agraja.
Let Sukanya Mahodaya try, please.
If we skip the relationship, it will be Dilipas Govindaha.
Okay, so we are saying Govindaha Dilipasya Anujaha. Govinda, Dilipa's younger brother. Now I want to say Dilipa is Govinda's older brother.
Okay. Dilipasya Agrajaha Govindaha. Dilipasya Agrajaha Govindaha.
Another way of saying.
Govindasya Agrajaha Dilipaha.
Govindasya Agrajaha Dilipaha. Or Dilipaha Govindasya Agrajaha. Vijay Sundaram Mahodaya.
Sridharaha Bhagini
No.
Bhaginya.
Dilipasya
Bhagineyaha Bhagineyaha Sridharaha.
So sister's husband.
Okay.
Uttamam. Ramesh Mahodaya. Rohini. Ramesh Mahodaya अस्ति वा? अस्तु. Anupama Mahodaya. Rohini.
Mahodaya. रोहिण्यस्य पौत्रः दिलीपः.
No. So we are doing relationship. No, hold on, please. if please mute yourself. There's a lot of background noise. Yeah, please mute yourself unless I call your name. Otherwise, there's a disturbance. So we are saying Govindaha Dilipasya Anujaha. Govinda is Dilipa's younger brother. So same way, Rohini and Dilipa sambandham kimasti.
Bhanu Mahodaya.
Dilipasya.
Bhanu Mahodaya, the example which is given here says Dilipaha Govindasya Anujaha.
Dilipaha Govindasya Anujaha. Astu, astu.
So Dilipaha should stay constant, right? I mean, in every sentence. Dilipaha Shridarasya Bhagineyaha. Dilipaha Rohinyaha Pautraha. Shouldn't it be like that?
Evam va. We'll do both. It's the same thing, no? We will do both.
No, because the first sentence started with Dilipaha, so I was just wondering if there is a pattern which we need to follow.
Oh, okay. Yeah, we'll follow the example. I didn't see the example given. Dilipaha Govindasya Anujaha. Evam va. Okay, I didn't see that. Okay.
No, but the thing is, it doesn't look right. It doesn't look right in the sense that Dilipa looks a lot older than Govinda. So I was wondering if it was a mistake.
The artist was not very artistic.
That's the difference between Bhanu Mahodaya and me. He is clean shaven, I am not.
Or maybe they are using. We'll do both ways. It's the same thing.
What was the other thing you said? Other than given in the textbook, some other relationship you said?
Govindasya Grajaha Dilipaha.
Okay.
Yeah.
Govindaha Dilipasya Agrajaha. Both ways you can.
Astu. Either way, the essence is the relationship. So the point they are trying to make here is when you have a relationship, you use Shashti Vibhakti. Whichever way you want to say it. It doesn't matter.
What's the meaning of Bhagineyaha?
Why sister's husband? Bhagini is sister, Bhagineyaha, sister's husband.
Jijaji.
Yeah, Jijaji.
Astu, Anupama Mahodaya, Rohini karotu.
Rohinyaha Pautraha Dilipaha. Or
Uttamam. Rohinyaha Pautraha Dilipaha. Uttamam. Rohinyaha. Why Rohinyaha?
Because in the Strilinga Shashti Ekavachanam would be like the Nadi Shabda.
So if you want to flip the sentence and say about Dilipa.
Dilipasya Mata Rohini.
Mahatamahi. Or Pitamahi. Pautraha is grandson. So Matamahi or Pitamahi. Astu. Evameva Anyani Vakyani Krupaya Rachayati. We will do the other parts in the next class. Other usages of Shashti Vibhakti. Astu. Prashnaha santi va? Na santi va? Astu. Mangala shlokam vadami anantaram if you have questions, I will stay back for a few minutes. You can ask me questions. Krupaya mute kuruvante. Om Purnamadah Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vasishyate. Om Shanti 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 Harihi Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Harihi Om. Dhanyavadaha. Here Madhuri Mahodaya is saying Bhagineyaha means sister's son, not husband, sister's son. Dhanyavadah Mahodaya.
धन्यवादः